Around the world, Light Conversion is known as a company that dictates quality standards in the laser technology market. It sets the benchmark and defines what precision truly means. In the laser industry, quality is never isolated. The performance of a laser depends directly on the quality of every single component inside it. This is where the CNC machining company, Extremahle, enters our story. For more than a decade, we, as industrial partners working with Light Conversion, have experienced what it truly means to operate at the highest level with no room for compromise. Dimensional accuracy must strictly follow the drawings, not approximately, not occasionally, but consistently, systematically, and without deviation over the long term. Many suppliers in the market can achieve high precision at once. Fewer can maintain it for years. That consistency becomes the real test. And this is what Extremahle distinguishes from the rest. Light Conversion raises the quality bar, and we keep up with it 100%. In this way, Light Conversion does more than build lasers. It shapes the ecosystem around it. It pushes CNC machining companies to invest in better measurement systems, cleaner processes, stricter quality control, and higher surface finishing standards. That's why Lithuania today is not only exporting lasers, it is exporting a culture of industrial precision. Together, we deliver technology that defines quality standards across the world's laser and photonics industries.